Now, padding. The padding property allows you to specify how much space should appear between the content of an element and its border. The value of this property is often specified in pixels. Like I said, we shouldn't use this in percentages. I explained it in my earlier slides. Okay, I also indicated that the box is also wider because of its padding. Okay, the padding, as in the space from the edge of the box to the content. So different values can also be ascribed to each side of the box. So that's padding top, padding right, padding bottom, and padding left. Just like we were doing in the other styles. Okay, you can specify. So when you see padding as 10 pixels, 5, 3, and 1, this simply means this is the top, this is the right, this is the bottom, and this is the left. Okay, that is how to apply the padding. And the value of the padding property is not inherited by the child element in the same way that the color value of the font family property is. As for the font family, it does, but in padding it does not inherit. Okay, or it does not, the child does not inherit from the parent element. So you need to specify the padding for each of them, whether it is a parent element or a child element. You are supposed to indicate the padding value for each of them. Now, this example is going to explain padding. Okay, I'm going to give two paragraphs. I'll give one a class, okay, of example, and I'm going to give it a padding of 10 pixels in my text editor. Okay, so in my HTML, I've already inserted the two paragraphs, this and then that. Okay, so I'll go straight to my CSS. Let me save the HTML. Now in the CSS, this is the property I want to give it. I want to give the paragraph a width of 275, a border of 2 pixels, and a color. Whilst in the paragraph with the example, I'm going to give it a padding of 10 pixels. Okay, a padding of what? 10 pixels. Let me save and then refresh my browser. Okay, so after refreshing my browser, you can actually see this around all my paragraphs. You can see the padding of 10 pixels, and then when I come to the paragraphs down there, you see 10 pixels in each, and I indicated that I'm giving it a width. Okay, the paragraph a width of 275, a border of 2 pixels, but the padding was higher. So you can actually see from my browser that the border is so close. Okay, so close, but my padding is a bit big. So this is the padding. Okay, within the box. That's the padding within the box.